Dogs are known for their companionship and loyalty. Being a dog owner doesn't stop at what your dog does or can do for you, but also stretches out to what you can do for your dog. Remember, you have a responsibility to care for your pet, but it's also a privilege and should be treated as such. Welcome to MUTT TUBE, where we share tips and tricks to keep your furry friends happy and healthy. In this video, we will be showing you the 12 most important responsibilities that come with dog ownership. Spaying or neutering your dogs. One of the most important tasks that comes with dog ownership is spaying or neutering your furry friend. This is beneficial to both your dogs and the community. In the last 3 decades, the act of neutering has greatly increased. When your dog has been spayed or neutered, they become less aggressive, as their instinct to mate has been eliminated. Unwanted behaviors such as fighting, roaming, spraying, and crying will be greatly reduced after surgery, and your little sweet dog becomes even more affectionate towards you. Health complications such as uterine infections and breast tumors, which could cause cancer in your dog, are eliminated by this act of spaying. Neutering prevents testicular cancer and prostate problems in male dogs. Adopt, don't shop. Rescuers are the most amazing people in the dog world. They spend their nights and weekends transporting pets from dire conditions and lining up foster homes and shelters that have the space to take them. Adopting a dog is a compassionate and responsible decision that not only saves a life but also supports animal welfare, breaks the cycle of overpopulation, and provides a unique and loving companion. By adopting, you're giving a dog a second chance at life. In their past lives, some may have been abused, abandoned, or had to fend for themselves on the streets. Meet Zoey, a 4-month-old female German Shepherd who got physically abused and was eventually abandoned by her owner on the walkway because her partner hated dogs. Zoey was homeless, without adequate food and shelter for about a month, before she was found by the animal rescue team, who groomed her and took care of her, whilst putting her up for adoption. 2 weeks later, a family of 4 came in to adopt a dog for their daughter, and she eventually clicked with Zoey and loved her on sight. Presently, Zoey is now the 5th member of this loving family, who is very fond of her and provides her with all the love and care she needs and deserves. Socialize and train your dogs early. Dogs can be trained at any age. Studies have shown that socialization teaches a dog to interact appropriately with people and other animals, as well as how to handle new experiences and environments without becoming anxious. True socialization is getting your dog accustomed to and confident around everything in this crazy world. Your dog should have a been there, done that attitude by the time it is 6 months of age. Early socialization is an important part of raising a puppy into a happy, well-adjusted adult. Dogs thrive on consistent rules and routines, and your distinct methods and habits would yield a significant impact on them. It's all about boundaries and clear-cut rules. Dogs are pack animals and cannot survive without setting boundaries and rules. Just like in raising a family, there needs to be set boundaries and rules in order to keep things from being chaotic. Most dogs are at about the same capabilities. If a dog knows what's expected and what's not allowed, they are more than likely to follow the rules. Be patient but consistent. Once you bring your new puppy home, you have the opportunity to help shape your puppy's social development. Most people love their furry companions. However, not every moment is enjoyable when your dog isn't trained to behave in specific ways or avoid unwanted behaviors. Dogs have very strong memory and are very good at remembering things. Rewarding a dog for an action would only prompt him to do it again for more reward. Reward-based training uses treats, belly rubs, and other dog-pleasing actions to reinforce that a behavior was good. Adult dogs can be socialized too. It just takes a bit longer and must be done more carefully, as it sets the foundation for a well-behaved, well-adjusted, and loving companion, making your sweet little dog comfortable around people and other dogs. Obeying rules. Being a pet owner shouldn't pose any harm and inconvenience to the next person. Following basic rules and etiquette to be considerate of others in your immediate environment should be your priority. Dog litters and waste can transmit bacteria and parasites that could harm them, other pets, or even humans. Picking up your dog's waste, disposing it, and sanitizing the environment is an essential activity in dog ownership. Also, keeping your dog on a leash in public areas ensures the safety of your dog and the people in your immediate environment. It shows that you have respect and regard to individuals who may be uncomfortable around unfamiliar dogs. You could ask for permission before allowing your dog to greet others, and also teach your dog polite greeting methods to ensure your dog is a welcome presence. Feed them properly. Give your dog the gift of a happy belly. Research has shown that feeding your dog properly is crucial for their overall health and well-being. A well-fed dog is more likely to be energetic, playful, and less prone to behavioral issues. Proper nutrition also helps prevent health problems such as obesity, skin issues, and digestive issues. Choosing high-quality food, following a regular feeding schedule, and maintaining good hygiene are some key guidelines to follow while maintaining a good feeding routine. Moving on, the diet of a dog should always be consistent and adapted to its individual needs. Plenty of fresh, clean water should be provided at points when needed. Breed, age, energy consumption, pregnancy in females, illnesses, and other factors play an important role in nutrition. So, hook your dog up with a healthy meal plan and watch them thrive. Keeping them safe. In the dog world, safety is always a priority. So, a dog's first instinct when threatened is to protect themselves. Pet lovers and owners should put certain measures in place to ensure the safety of their dogs from different forms of threats. Registering your dog helps authorities keep track of your dog's ownership and ensures you're up to date on basic regulations and requirements. If your dog goes missing, having your pet licensed increases your chance of getting your dog back. Your license proves ownership and assists animal control and shelters to quickly identify your dog and bring them back to you safely. Microchipping is a painless and advanced way of keeping your dog on track whenever they get lost and are found by animal shelters. Understanding body language is key to keeping your dog secure and harmless. When a dog feels uncomfortable or scared, they might display signs like lip licking, yawning, or turning away. These cues are important indicators that your dog needs some space. Respecting your dog's personal space while they're eating or napping is very crucial in ensuring their safety and yours as well. Individuals are advised to never approach a dog that's tied up, as they may feel trapped and anxious, leading to uncontrollable behaviors. Knowing that dog ownership is a time and money investment. Whatever is worth doing at all is worth doing well. In essence, it's required that you know and understand the cost of investing in standard dog care equipment, facilities, and nutritional supplements. Dedicating a substantial amount of time to training, exercising, and socializing your pet can be challenging for those with busy schedules. By being prepared and willing to invest your time and money to meet your dog's needs, you can ensure a happy and healthy relationship with your dog. Dogs are a lifelong responsibility. When you decide to bring a furry friend into your life, you're not just adopting a pet, you're committing to a lifelong responsibility. Dogs require constant care and attention, making them a significant addition to your family. As such, it's crucial to consider the long-term implications of your decision and be prepared to provide a stable and loving home for your canine companion. So, before you bring home that adorable pup, make sure you're ready to dedicate your life to being their forever home. To prepare your mind on situations you're likely to face with a new pet, check out our next video on what to expect as a new pet parent. They need a lot of enrichment mentally, emotionally, and physically. As a responsible dog owner, it's crucial to recognize that dogs require a multifaceted approach to their well-being, encompassing mental, emotional, and physical enrichment. This means providing a stimulating environment that challenges their minds, satisfies their emotional needs, and keeps their bodies active and healthy. By doing so, you can help prevent boredom, stress, and behavioral issues, ultimately fostering a happier and healthier canine companion. Healthcare. Good health begins with you. Regular vet visits are recommended for your dog's health. Yes, we all know dogs are usually scared to go to the vet, and sometimes they are reluctant or even aggressive when their instincts dictate that they'd be getting a vet visit. Treats and toys are the tricks to keep them distracted and lure them for their routine checks at the vet shop. Vets are the friends that your dogs never knew they needed. Routine checkups are preventative measures to avoid infections from heartworms, fleas, and ticks. Bathing and grooming are also essential for your dog's hygiene and overall health. By brushing their coat regularly, you are preventing their fur from matting and tangling. Also, bathing them as needed helps to keep their skin clean and healthy. By following these healthcare essentials, you can ensure your dog stays healthy and happy. Checking their vitals frequently. What are dog vitals? Vitals refer to the basic physical signs that indicate your dog's overall health. These include their heart rate, breathing rate, body temperature, inspecting their paws for any signs of irritation or injury, their teeth and gums for signs of decay or infection, their eyes for any redness or discharge, and their ears for any signs of infection or wax buildup, and most importantly, their organs. By checking your dog's vitals regularly, you could identify potential health issues early on. For example, smelling your dog's ears daily, even if they look clean, could help you notice an underlying infection that needs medical attention. Remember, being a responsible dog owner is about more than just providing food and shelter. It's about giving your dog the care and attention they need to thrive. Regular grooming. Regular grooming, including brushing, haircuts if needed, and nail trims, is an essential aspect of dog care. Neglecting your dog's grooming needs can lead to various health issues such as matted fur, skin irritations, and even overgrown nails that can grow into their paw pads, causing them pain and discomfort. By dedicating time to groom your furry friend regularly, you not only keep them looking at their best, but also ensure their overall well-being and prevent potential health problems. Thank you for watching our video on the 12 biggest responsibilities of dog ownership. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to MUTT TUBE for similar intriguing content. Also, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below and make sure to check back for our response. Wag more, worry less.